What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. You want to make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss out on important information that can help you in your investments. Now, you got to remember, none of this is financial advice. You got to do your own due diligence and never risk more than you're willing to lose. That's the #1 rule to investing. Do not put yourself in an emotional situation by over leveraging yourself or putting in more than you are willing to risk losing. Just in case prices pull back, you won't become emotional and paranoid about your investments. So before we get into this 2024 recap, I want y'all to think about a few things, y'all. Right now, globally, we have around 8,700 and something ETFs total. Right now, there's only around, I believe, 11 Bitcoin ETFs and 24 to 26 Ethereum ETFs. So that's less than 50 ETFs revolving around cryptocurrency when there are over 8,700 different ETFs globally. Think about this, y'all. Think about the number of new ETFs that are potentially to arrive, especially since we're seeing Bitcoin ETFs, Ethereum ETFs. Think about the likelihood of in the future seeing Shiba Inu ETFs. There is just a process basically of a few steps that you have to follow in order to create one. Now, obviously, it's more complex than that, but it is not something that cannot happen. And I want y'all to think about Shiba Inu's price as we start to get those Shiba Inu ETFs. Remember, the CEO of XRP just said next year, 2025, we will have XRP ETFs. When that happens, even leading up to that time or after that time, I can see one of these funds stepping up and saying, hey, we like to create the first Shiba Inu ETF. And that's going to be crazy for Shiba Inu being the first meme coin with an ETF. Connect the dots, man. So we got the 2024 recap right here. Also, big announcement. We got something that we working on for IRL events. So if y'all haven't heard about it yet, we do have a location here in Las Vegas where we will be doing events with our community. So stay tuned for that. Also, we got some other exciting things down the pipeline as well. But for 2024 recap so far, key developments for so far, shib.io and shibarium. So shibarium layer 2 solution. Significant progress was made with the shibarium layer 2 solution, enhancing scalability and efficiency within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Shib Identity introduced the Shib Identity initiative to create a new era of digital identity. So this is a way for different people in the crypto space to be able to connect with their digital identities and connecting to their investments in a new way that the Shib team is spearheading. Also, shibarium, I know a lot of y'all know what that is, layer 2 scaling solution, basically a faster way to process crypto transactions than some of the more traditional chains that we use right now. And then we got 3, the Shiboshis launched the collection of 20,000 DN404s on the Ethereum network. So this is a new technology, basically a mix of NFT technology and crypto technology where, some of the aspects or characteristics of an NFT are incorporated into a token and vice versa. So that's something pretty cool that the team has been working on. So 2024 has been full of, big updates that will help the overall picture of Shiba Inu come together. So privacy-focused L3 blockchain development announced a $12 million funding round for the development of a privacy-focused layer 3 blockchain. Also, Token 2049 conference participation. Participated in the Token 2049 conference in Dubai earlier in the year. And then, we will have the shibArmy participating in the conference that we do here in Las Vegas. So stay tuned for that. shibaswap launched on shibarium. The integration of shibaswap with shibarium took place in May 2024, enhancing the ecosystem's reach and functionality. So this is something that, is pretty cool that we see the team working on right now, that you can be looking forward to, just basically making the ecosystem better and making even more people want to join the Shib ecosystem. So these are the things I'm excited about. Now, let's take a look at the overall price right now. We got the overall crypto market cap sitting at $2.64 trillion right now. fear and greed index has bumped up slightly to a 66, which tells us that, the market is starting to get a little more greedy. The market is starting to become more confident. Now, if we see a sharp pullback, not a sharp like steep one, but a quick flash little pullback, I wouldn't panic too much. We just seen Bitcoin sitting nicely at $70,000 with the fear and greed index at a 60. So that tells us, we still got some room right there and a lot of upside. It tells us that the market is not too afraid to where it's just going to pull back, into crazy levels where it might, just create panic and, cause people to start to really get afraid and jump ship. Right now, there's a cautious optimism that we see in the market right now. BNB just hit $700 again. That's nice to see right there. But the market is still optimistic, just being cautious about it because it's not sure. So I want y'all to have y'all positions securely, locked down. So that way, when this ride really takes off, you are a part of it. Take a look at what we see happening right now. So let's get through these. Bitcoin, $71,130. We got Ethereum at $3,863. We got BNB at $700. We got Solana at $173. We got XRP at 52 cents. Doge at 16 cents. Timecoin absolutely on fire at $7.18. So we still see the overall market moving, even though it might not seem like it because things are staircasing. We see a little movement up. It consolidates for a little bit, might even pull back slightly, but it pops up again. That's what we want to see, a healthy increase, not just a sharp breakout to the upside, because then that's the farther we got to come back down. But right now, I'm liking what I see. So Cardano, 46 cents. Shiba Inu still holding 11th place by market cap with 40259, up 45% on the day with a $15.2 billion market cap. So we are still about $1.2 billion away from reclaiming that 10th place position, but I know we'll be doing that real soon. Now, this is something that I was really excited about seeing. Whenever you start to see the OGs who, were once in Shiba Inu and, hit it off really big, starting to come back into SHIB, it's time to start paying attention. So Shiba Inu early investors buys $3.8 million worth of SHIB. The price jumps 10%. So other people are connecting the dots as well, seeing this whale, make this move. So according to AI-driven crypto analysis firm Spot On Chain, an early Shiba Inu whale purchased $3.83 million worth of SHIB today. Previously, the whale has sold 167 billion tokens 3 years ago today for 6.13 million. The whale had purchased around 5.16 trillion SHIB on March 21st, 2021 for around $63,000, and he turned that into over $6 million. This is what I try to tell y'all. Find the assets you truly believe in and get some decent money in there. I'm not telling you to go crazy and you got to put in 63,000, but find the assets you truly believe in. Continue to dollar cost average, and who knows how much you might get into it over a period of time before it actually takes off. But once you start to get into those tens of thousand levels and it starts to really take off, you're in a position where you could possibly see some millions. So the wallet still holds 4.5 million of wrapped Ethereum and may buy more SHIB. So he just bought $3 million worth, still has $4 million worth of ETH. So who knows what's going to happen right there. But it's good to see one of those OGs, showing that he still or she still has faith in the Shiba Inu token. So the whale purchase coincides with SHIB rallying 10% in the daily charts, 0.5% in the 14-day charts, and 4.6% over the previous month. It is possible that the whale purchase has driven up the asset's price. Nonetheless, SHIB is still down by 7.3% in the weekly charts. Y'all don't let it, don't be confused by the lack of fast movement. This is the thing. You want to already be secured in your position before this. The one thing I heard the most when, she took off last time, all the people that was truly rocking with me, that had access to me to be able to, shoot those messages and get in contact with me, they all wished, I'll say about a good 90+% of them wish they would have bought more. So she faced a significant price correction last week, but is slowly recovering. Many analysts anticipate the popular dog-themed crypto to continue on a bullish trajectory over the next few weeks. SHIB is currently down by nearly 70% from its all-time high of 408616, which it attained in October 2021. According to CoinCodex, Shiba Inu could breach the 407 mark by the end of this month. Moreover, the platform predicts SHIB to hit a new all-time high of 408768 on July 3rd, 2024, reaching 4 zeros from the current levels, or I think they mean 3 zeros from the current levels, would translate to a growth of 407 would translate to a growth of 234%. So Changelly also anticipates Shiba Inu to rally over the next few weeks. However, the platform does not expect SHIB to hit a new all-time high. According to Changelly data, SHIB will hit 408156 on July 2nd, 2024. Y'all, so a lot of AI technology is screaming to us that Shiba Inu is about to break all-time highs. Connect the dots for yourself. Not financial advice, but I am super bullish. Hopefully y'all are along for the ride and y'all will be a part of those next Shiba Inu success stories. Check the links in the description section of this video. We will have some more content coming in a short period of time, so make sure y'all got those notifications on. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are